All right, we've got a full roster for the day. We've got the roof, gutters, house, windows, and deck. It's a good sized deck, a lot of railing for sure. Good bit of algae and growing, and house is pretty well covered in spider webs and some algae, and the whole thing's shaded, and you can see where the slugs have been. And then we've got this roof here that is super dirty. So we're gonna get set up and get the buffer tank filled up and get all the hoses stretched down. I gotta get all the debris off these gutters and get going.